Well, we are currently in, where are we? John Martin Reservoir State Park in Colorado. Supposedly the second largest body of water in Colorado, but it's also hot. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning and close to 90 degrees. But we're going somewhere even hotter. We're going to Pueblo, Colorado, because we have a chip in our windshield thanks to Kansas. We need to get that replaced. So the closest thing we found at the time when we saw the rock chip was Pueblo. So we're heading to Pueblo. We got a KOA for the night. It's supposed to be like 105 or something like that.
No shade.
No shade. So we have no idea what we're gonna get into today. We're gonna try to find a way. There's a mall. We're gonna try to avoid being outside too long. And we'll see what ends up happening. Right now we're packing up. We didn't even eat because it's so hot. Just no appetite. And hopefully find somewhere to cool off. All right, adding to our collection here. Stopped off at the visitor center.
This one's really cool. It's vintage.
Super retro-y.
Yeah. Oh, shoot.
All right, we are filling up with $5.20, 87. Let's see what she's gonna cost. All right, we hit the $99 limit. All right, round two. They have 85, but I've never put 85 in my vehicle. Whoa. So yeah, where are we? La Junta. Yeah, La Junta, Colorado. So let's see. We have 90. Did you take the receipt? Mm-hmm. We have a $99. We'll see what this adds up to. All right, looks like we came in at a total of 126 actually. All right, we made it to our KOA. It's a little dark in here. We made it. Some guy's gonna show us our site. Whew, it's currently 100 degrees on the dot, and it's only 1 p.m. Following this guy, he's taking us to our site. He's hauling ass. God, is this a race? We're gonna lose him. This guy does not like the heat any more than we do. You can see there's plenty of shade here. So much shade. We just saw one of these little cabins, and they have air conditioners. Oh.
Hey, it's Michaela. I just pulled out of there. Yeah. Hey, I have a question. What are the odds these cute little cabins, are any of them available tonight? And possibly what's the upcharge?
All right, so yeah, as you guys heard, we just got a nice little cabin for an extra 18 bucks. I say it's worth it when it's gonna be scorching out.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Look, the main thing is, as you guys saw in the last video, obviously we're in Colorado. So the goal is to get up to the mountains where there will be BLM land where we can stay for free and run the generator, but it should be like in the 60s, not in the hundos. So we're gonna back in. We got cabin number 7. We'll give you guys a tour. When we get the key. Big Bertha. This van has been killing it, honestly. All right, well, here it is for an extra 18 bucks. This is the cabin. Pretty bare bones, but we have a fan, we have an air conditioner, and 1 outlet. Yeah, this will do for tonight. We just have to kind of keep an eye on the cooler. I think worst case scenario, we can pull the cooler and let that charge. If we need to.
Yeah, but I don't think anything's like...
Yeah, nothing, we don't have anything in there that's like absolutely...
We have turkey bacon, but...
Yeah, it's just the turkey bacon, I think. Yeah, so We're just chilling for now. There's a pizza shop half a second away, and they deliver on the golf cart, so we'll probably grab some pizza for tonight. Get our windshield fixed nice and early in the morning, and get the heck out of here and head north, most likely. I think on Tuesday, my friend Sam said he'd like to go camping with us, so see what's going on. So tomorrow night we'll find a place up there. But for now, this will do. Holy cow, is it hot outside. Smelt some gasoline. Found out that the filler neck hose is leaking. So we gotta locate one of those. And to make it even better on top of that, both barn doors do not open. The main barn door that you opened stopped working from opening it from the outside on our way to Missouri in 2019. And then we fixed it with a zip tie quick. It was working for a week or two. And then it stopped working, so you only could open it from the inside again. So we were used to that, so we're like, all right, not a big deal. Now you can't open it from the inside or the outside. Our sink also doesn't work because we need to replace the hose. But even if it did work, we can't get to our tanks because now we can't open that door. It's just a whole thing. It's extremely hot. I just brought my PC in from outside. Hopefully it's okay and not melted on the inside. But that stuff's pretty good for high temps, so we should be okay. Yeah, now we're just soaking it all in.
I think we're just gonna hunker down here for the night.
Yeah, in our little cabin. So the nice little cool off in the pool was well worth it. But we have a little bit of a dilemma overall with the van. Currently got the tools out. So as I mentioned, the door, it did stop working. So right now the van is unlocked. This one we broke, well, it broke, and we did fix with a zip tie, but that only held up until right before we left. So then the other method was reaching in and pulling this handle, which now nothing happens. So it's extremely hot, and I'm going to I've started taking apart the door card, try to see what's going on. We have no door card there because that has a similar issue. It's always something. It really is. Welcome to van life. Got her open. It's broken. Oh, I don't know what you guys can see, but she's broke. So I'm gonna do some rigging before this storm comes through. Hopefully it misses us. It's hot, and I think the fuel tank's leaking, or it's the filler neck hose, or both. Door's broken, sink doesn't work, and windshield's got a crack. Making good progress. First week. Yay, Michaela's very excited. Michaela's double checking the windows, but I shut them. This is absolutely intense. Hopefully this rain won't last long. What a journey it's been coming to Colorado. You okay? Yeah. A little wet, the hair is a little wild. I just saw a tumbleweed, so that's how you know you're in Colorado. Michaela just dropped off the key. We're going to get our rock chip fixed. Wasn't able to fix the door last night. Able to open it. I was able to pop something off, and we have to use the cables on both of the barn doors. So, and we may have a gas leak, or it's the filler neck, so we may get that checked out by a Ford dealership, but right now we're heading to Pueblo to Safelite to get the chip fixed. Okay, so the Safelite went great. $150 to fill this tiny ass chip, but it only took about 20 minutes, and it's better to know that it's not gonna crack because we're only exactly 1 week into being on the road, and we're in Colorado. Currently, we're in a town called North Glen, just right above Denver, because we woke up, left Pueblo, well, got the rock chip fixed, went to Canyon City to a Ford dealership to see if they had the hose I was looking for. They didn't. The AutoZone in that area, actually no, we went to an AutoZone kind of by Pikes Peak. I don't even know the name of that area. Said they had it, they didn't have it in stock. Drove an hour and a half to this one, and we got the part. So we're gonna go to my buddy Sam's house right now, see what's going on, find a plan to fix this and mess with the door. So yeah, long day. Yes. But way better weather. Significantly better weather. Yeah. So, going to see Sam. The van just turned over. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I did get a picture. 100,000. We hit 100,000 in the van.
I can't believe it.
All right, we're almost at Sam's house. Currently on the side of the road and somewhere in Denver. Forget where already. Got the dirty old fuel filler neck hose off. There's a bunch of cracks in it. That was fun, and getting it back on was even more fun. I got the first clamp, and Sam's yanking away at the second one. It's a long process. The door card situation's a whole nother thing. It works as of now until the cable breaks. I don't know what'll happen because the lever I thought you could reach in and pull doesn't actually open the door. So, fun times. Well,
It feels like it's not going all the way to the start. Like, there's no...
I see what you're saying.
Like you feel the click, and then not. Like you have to...
Just switched it to run and it fired up. Hey, Sam is the man.
So what was it?
I don't know, Sam. What was it?
God knows.
We need Sam. You're with us for 3 months, buddy. Okay. I'll take that.
So what'd you do?
Did you just put it on run
Yeah, so
when it was slowly firing?
cranked it, turn it to run. Yeah.
I mean, if it doesn't end up working, we're getting another one. So I don't really care. If that's how it turns on, that's how it turns on. All right, well, we found a plan for tonight. Generator works, as you guys saw. We don't need a fourth one. We got good old Sam, the GX470.
Dude, this setup's, I think, almost more pro than yours.
I think you're right, dude. Caleb, peep the setup.
What, let me see. Shit.
You're ready to go, dude. Where are we going?
That way.
We're going down this alley, guys. No, we're heading to the mountains.